Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, we do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. And we're diving into some beauty hacks and tips this year, okay? So today I am collaborating with Youluck Beauty. They were kind enough to send me a DIY lash cluster kit. And you guys, if you want to save money on lash extensions, this is your chance. Super easy to wear. Even if you've never used lashes before, the kit is beginner friendly and it's a perfect fit for anyone who wants to enhance their look without the hassle. It's long-lasting and waterproof. The glue is designed to stay in place all day, no matter the weather. Perfect for those who need lashes that can keep up with their busy lives. It's comfortable and lightweight, and the lashes are so light, you'll honestly forget that you're wearing them. I personally have sensitive eyes, so I love the fact that I don't experience any discomfort while wearing them. So I got the Puff 5D layered fluffy lash clusters. And in my kit, it comes with the bond and seal, the remover, and tweezers. So I typically like to get an idea for my lash map on how I want to plan out my lashes. I take about 6 clusters. So I started with 18, 116, 114. I got 2 12s, and then I got 110. So that's how I typically like to do my lash map. I then use the bonder on my natural lashes, and I also try to stay away from my waterline because I have sensitive eyes. I typically like to put the lash like right directly on my lashes right before it touches my waterline. After applying the lashes, I immediately go in with the sealer, and that's pretty much it, you guys. It's such an easy process. I love it. Again, I never have any discomfort, and I typically like to keep my lashes on for about 5 days because as a previous lash extension girly, you know that you are supposed to wash your lashes every, 3 days or so. And because you can't really wash them with the clusters on, I do only go about 5 days. I use the remover to easily remove the lashes, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy the overall final look, and for 10% off, I do have a coupon code in the description box below. You can also use my referral link. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.